My God, cutest cat kitty video of the day, number 3. Now brother, who is mother's from first litter, is snuggling with mom and the 4 kittens. He's being a really good brother. That's so great. Look at them all. Yeah, they've taken over our outdoor area, but that's okay. Look at all the pretty kitties. Look at all the pretty kitties. It's odd because brother here, who's the all black one there, he's not even a year old yet, but he has not left mama or the kittens to go off on his own yet. And I don't know, comment, is that strange? Was that a different kind of thing for an adult male cat to hang with its mama and new babies? I think it's beautiful.